Okay, this is one of my very favorite stocking peels. It'll look like this. Here's the breakdown. So we always start with the leg presenting to the audience, slide one finger down, and then one finger across. Fold past the knee, fold, slide past your calf, and slide towards your heel. Take your back hand, slide down onto the forearm, and then we're gonna pull behind. So you're doing this nice little presentation position, and then pull, 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 and whoop, release. It's tucking my fingers. There we go. Slide one finger across, and then the other one across. Slide past the knee, past the calf, and past the heel. And then I'm going to slide to the back of my forearm, and then extend, pull, 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 and then pop. What I like about this is it makes it look like you're flexible and bendy, even when you're not. Thank you.